Ria's hungry. Ria told Ria's mom Ria wants an apple. Wait, who is Ria? Why is Ria saying Ria so much? Saying the same thing over and over again sounds kind of silly. We need name ninjas. Pronouns are used to replace nouns. Ria, she. Ria is hungry. Ria wants an apple. Ria is hungry. She wants an apple. Much better, right? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. They are personal pronouns. I'll show you a picture and you guess the pronoun. 3, 2, 1. It. Next picture. 3, 2, 1. They. The last one. 3, 2, 1. I. Pronouns are used instead of nouns. They stop us from sounding like robots. Ria is hungry. She told her mom she wants an apple. Perfect! Comment your own sentence using pronouns. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sweet and Happy Life for more grammar wins. I'm Mary signing off.